Hello everyone, in this tutorial I will gonna show to you on how to manage Facebook ads. First you go to pages and then select the page which you are created. For me it's the bodytone.ph. Open the page and scroll until you can see the create ad section and click see all. Click get started with automated ads and click get started. Here you can see some questions to be answered. The first one is, do you want people to come to your business location? And then click next. Do you have a website? At this time I don't have yet a website. Then I click no. Then next. Do you want people to contact you? Yes. Next. How do you want people to contact you? Select all that apply. I prefer they share their contact information and I reach out, and also they message me on Facebook. Next. What are some topics your audience might like? I chose fitness and wellness, physical fitness, workout, healthy, and click next. And you can upload here 6 images for your ad, and after uploading then click next. Here is the settings for your automated ads. The first one is choose your goal. You can choose get more messages on Messenger, get more leads, promote your address locally. On the end, I will choose the recommended settings. And we go down to Jelly budget settings. Just click the pen and choose how much is your budget for your ad. You can drag right or left. After you set the budget, then you can click save budget. Then you can choose the special ad category. This is all about ads about credit, employment, housing, or social issues, elections, or politics. Or you can select one or more countries from this drop-down list. And after putting all the details, then you can select close. And then the default for automated ads for the duration of your ads is continuous. You can also define your audience here. Just click the pen. You can choose automatic, people you choose through targeting, or people in your local area. I prefer to choose automatic. Then because this is for automated ads, then I will choose automatic and then choose audience. You can see here the estimated daily results for your budget. The people rates is 1.3 thousand to 3.8 thousand. The replies is 1 to 10. And down here is add payment method. You can choose either debit or credit card, Visa, MasterCard, PayPal, GCash, PMaya, and click this box I have and add credit to claim. Then click next. You can input here the card details of your mode of payment, also the card number, and the date, and after that you will click save, and after filling out the details, then you click this promote now in order to promote your ads automatically. Just wait for the confirmation message to appear in your screen, and that's it for getting started with automated ads. Now we click back. The second one is create new ad. Just click it here. And here is almost the same in getting started with automated ads. You can choose the goal, get more messages on Messenger, get more leads, get more messages on WhatsApp, get more page likes, promote your business locally, get more websites visitors. On my end, I will choose this, get more messages on Messenger. And you can write the description here. Now we can define our audience. You can choose people you choose to targeting or people in your local area. And then click create new. Write the audience name here, the gender, men or women, the age bracket. You can select drag right or drag left. And then you can type the locations. I will type here Philippines. And now the Google map will appear below. Then you can see here that your audience is defined, and the estimated audience size is 66.4 million to 69.9 million. Browse for detailed targeting. You can choose demographics, interests, behaviors, or more categories. In the demographics, you can choose education, financial, life events, parents, relationship, work. Under the education is education level, schools, field of study, undergrad years, associate degree, college grad, doctorate degree, and so on and so forth. And in financial income, household income, top 10% of zip codes for you is household income top 10% to 25% of zip codes in US. Household income, top 25% to 50% of zip codes residing in US. Household income, top 5% of zip codes also residing in US. You can choose here whatever you like to define your target. And then click Save Audience. You can choose the duration of your ads. You can choose 7 days or lesser. Then also the daily budget of your ad. Just like in Get Started with Automated Ads, you can drag right or drag left. You can click payment method. Is also the same in getting started with automated ads. You can select debit or credit card, whether Visa, MasterCard, PayPal, GCash. Pimaya wallet, and then you can click this box or check this box. I have an ad credit to claim. Then click next. You can enter the card details here. Then click save. And you can now click this promote now button to promote your ad and wait for the confirmation message to appear on your screen. The next one is boost a post. We will boost a post of different ads like text ad, image ad, and video ad. You can select Facebook or Instagram, but I choose Facebook. First, I will boost this video ad. Just click this boost post. And here you can change your goal. Just click this button change. You can choose automatic, get more messages, get more video views, get more leads, get more calls. And then for me is I choose automatic. Click save. You can select also the button label of your ad. You can select more button, book now, learn more, shop now, sign up, get offer, send message. I will choose shop now. It needs to enter a valid URL. I will choose send message. And this special ad category is all about ads about credit, employment, housing, or social issues, elections, or politics. Define your audience here. The same get started with automated ads. You can select people you chose through targeting and people in your local area. Then click create new. You can input the name of the audience. You can select the gender, male or women. I will select all. And in the age bracket, I will select 18 to 40. And type the location. Philippines. And same in the previous tutorial, you can browse the detailed targeting. You can choose demographic, interest, behaviors, more categories. It's the same. And now you can then click save audience. You can select the duration of your ads, the total budget, just drag left or drag right. Then you can put a payment method. You can select debit or credit card, Visa card, MasterCard, PayPal, GCash, Paymaya wallet. And then check this box, I have an ad credit to claim. Click next. Put the card details here and then click save. And then you can now boost your post on video ad. Just click this button boost post now and wait for the confirmation message to appear in your screen. The next one is boosting a post in text ad. Just click boost post and change your goal. You can choose automatic, get more messages, get more website visitors, get more engagement, get more leads, get more calls. I will prefer to choose get more engagement and then click save. You can also select button label for your ad. It's the same in the previous tutorial. You can no button, book now, learn more, shop now, sign up, get offer, send message, send WhatsApp message, call now. You prepare to choose send message. And you can put the welcome message here. Just click this edit welcome message button. And after inputting the welcome message, then click save. in defining audience is the same in the previous tutorial. First is people you choose to targeting, and the second one is people in your local area. And then click create new. Put the audience name, the gender, men or women, the age bracket, 18 to 40, and the location, Philippines. And browse detailed targeting. You can choose demographics, interests, behaviors, more categories. And all these options the same in previous tutorial. Then click Save Audience. You can set your duration period of your post. Also the total budget, you can drag left, drag right. If you change the total budget, and you can see the estimated daily results here. If you put here higher price, then the rates also will become bigger. Also the post engagement. Then add the payment method, debit or credit card. You can choose what card you use, whether it is PayPal, GCash, Visa, MasterCard, or Pinaya wallet. And then check this box, I have an ad credit to claim. Click next. Put the card details here, and then click save. The procedure of boosting your post is all the same. In boosting the video ad and the text ad, I think also in image ad. But we will proceed now to image ad. Just click this boost post now for the image ad. And choose the goal. Just click the button change. You can choose automatic, get more messages, get more website visitors, get more engagement, get more leads, get more calls. I will choose automatic and then click save. And choose the button label. I will prepare to select send message. Now you can define your audience. You can select people you choose to targeting or people in your local area. And click create new. Write the audience name, the gender, all men or women, and the age bracket. Then type the location. Philippines. And below you can see the audience definition. The estimated audience size is 131.2 million to 159.4 million. And then click Save Audience. Here you can also adjust your duration of this for your ads to post. And the total budget, you can change the total budget and add a payment method. You can select debit or credit card, Visa, MasterCard, PayPal, GCash, Paymaya wallet, and then check this box, I have an ad credit to claim. Then click Next, input the details of your card, and then click Save. And then you can now boost your post by clicking this button, Boost Post Now, and wait for the confirmation message to appear in your screen. That's all I can share with you. My navigation tutorial in boosting a post, create new ad, and get started with automated ads. Thank you and keep safe everyone.